Basil, a fragrant herb native to tropical regions of Asia and Africa, has long been celebrated not only for its culinary uses, but also for its remarkable health-promoting properties. From ancient civilizations to modern science, basil has held a revered status as a medicinal herb due to its diverse array of phytochemicals and essential nutrients. In this video, we will cover the health benefits attributed to basil, shedding light on its therapeutic potential and highlighting its significance in promoting overall well-being. Delving into the rich history of basil reveals its integral role in traditional medicine systems such as Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and Greco-Roman medicine. Ancient civilizations revered basil for its purported ability to alleviate various ailments ranging from digestive disorders to respiratory issues. Basil's medicinal use transcended geographical boundaries, earning it a reputation as a symbol of healing and vitality across diverse cultures. Basil boasts an impressive nutritional profile, containing essential vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds vital for health. Rich in vitamins A, K, and C, basil supports immune function, vision health, and collagen formation. Minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium contribute to bone strength, muscle function, and overall metabolic health. Essential oils such as eugenol, linalool, and estragol lend basil its characteristic aroma and potent antioxidant properties. Basil exhibits potent antimicrobial activity against a wide spectrum of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Compounds like eugenol and thymol exert antimicrobial effects by disrupting microbial cell membranes and inhibiting essential enzymes. Basil extracts have shown efficacy against foodborne pathogens, making it a promising natural preservative in food industry applications. Chronic inflammation lies at the root of many diseases, ranging from arthritis to cardiovascular disorders. Basil contains phytochemicals such as flavonoids and polyphenols that possess anti-inflammatory properties, helping to mitigate inflammatory processes within the body. Studies have demonstrated that basil extracts can inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, thereby attenuating inflammation and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Basil holds promise in promoting cardiovascular health through its vasodilatory, antihypertensive, and lipid-lowering effects. Compounds like eugenol and rosmarinic acid contribute to vasodilation by relaxing blood vessels, thus improving blood flow and reducing hypertension. Basil extracts have been shown to lower cholesterol levels and inhibit platelet aggregation, mitigating the risk of atherosclerosis and cardiovascular events. Basil has a long history of use as a digestive aid, thanks to its carminative and antispasmodic properties. Consuming basil can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and flatulence by promoting smooth muscle relaxation in the gastrointestinal tract. Compounds like eugenol and methylchavicol exhibit gastroprotective effects, shielding the stomach lining from damage and reducing the risk of gastric ulcers. Oxidative stress, stemming from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, plays a key role in aging and disease. Basil contains an abundance of antioxidants such as flavonoids, anthocyanins, and phenolic acids that scavenge free radicals and neutralize oxidative damage. Regular consumption of basil may help bolster the body's antioxidant defenses, reducing the risk of chronic conditions including cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and cardiovascular disease. Basil possesses immunomodulatory properties, meaning it can regulate and enhance immune system function. Compounds like eugenol and apigenin exert immunomodulatory effects by modulating immune cell activity and cytokine production. Incorporating basil into the diet may help strengthen immune responses, thereby enhancing resistance to infections and promoting overall immune health. Emerging research suggests that basil may offer neuroprotective benefits by safeguarding against oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Compounds like rosmarinic acid and caffeic acid exhibit neuroprotective properties by scavenging free radicals and inhibiting inflammatory pathways implicated in neurodegenerative diseases. Preliminary studies suggest that basil extracts may hold promise in mitigating cognitive decline and neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Basil's aromatic compounds have been traditionally used to alleviate stress, anxiety, and promote relaxation. Inhalation of basil essential oil or incorporating basil into aromatherapy blends may help reduce cortisol levels, induce feelings of calmness, and uplift mood. Compounds like linalool and methylchavicol exert anxiolytic effects by modulating neurotransmitter activity in the brain, promoting a sense of well-being and mental clarity. Beyond its medicinal properties, basil adds flavor, aroma, and nutritional value to culinary dishes, making it a versatile ingredient in various cuisines worldwide. Incorporating fresh basil into salads, soups, sauces, and dressings not only enhances taste, but also provides a nutrient boost. By replacing salt or unhealthy condiments with fresh herbs like basil, individuals can lower sodium intake and enhance the nutritional quality of their meals, supporting overall health and wellness. Basil, revered for centuries for its medicinal properties, continues to captivate modern science with its myriad health benefits. From its potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects to its cardiovascular, digestive, and neuroprotective properties, basil emerges as a powerhouse of phytochemicals with immense therapeutic potential. Whether enjoyed in culinary creations or utilized in herbal remedies, basil stands as a testament to nature's healing bounty, offering a holistic approach to promoting health and vitality. Thanks for tuning in to discover the incredible health benefits of basil. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you use basil in your daily life? Whether it's in your favorite recipes, herbal remedies, or even aromatherapy blends, share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you're hungry for more content about powerful herbs like basil, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for future videos packed with insights into nature's healing wonders. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the amazing world of herbs.